Are you having problems with your C-class? The passenger side is getting wet on the floor and you had to dry it. I will show you how to fix that easily. So the problem is the sunroof that you have. I will show you why.
Your sunroof drain hose is blocked and you need to open it, so otherwise the water will find its way down the A-pillar to the passenger side footwell.
So what you will have to do is open the door a bit so there is a gap. You can put your hand under here and as you can see I'm right behind. Like you can see my fingers, it's on my finger level. Around here is the hose and I can open the hose.
So what you're looking for is the head of the hose that looks like this, and you just have to wiggle it around and try to open it up and maybe put your finger inside and just try to get all the stuff out.
This is completely blocked.
If you have a friend that could be pouring water down the drain all the time while you're trying to unblock the hose, that would help a lot because the water flow will push all the dirt out. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe for more Mercedes DIY tutorials. See you in the next one.